A very good afternoon to one and all. Hopefully, I am audible to everyone. Am I not audible? I can't hear anyone. Is there anyone? Saklen, Muzam, Muzair, Yusuf, Mudabir. I can't hear anyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. That means I am audible. Yes, Uzair, I remember your English syllabus. Not to worry. Good to see that you are concerned about your exam. Yusuf, thank you very much for uploading that particular task on the Tiger. I just checked it and I found that you have already uploaded it. Very good. I'll discuss that also. Our last class will be, if everything goes fine, will be on 31st. So I have kept that day particularly for your presentation. Today I will discuss mainly two things. First is that, by the way, let me ask you before that, have we covered reported speech or direct indirect? Have we done that in class? If I'm not wrong, yes, but I want to get a confirmation from your end if we have done it. Farhana, you can use the microphone instead of typing. Then use it. So have we done reported speech?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mudabi. Mozam, how will you put people into this waiting room when your camera is only off? Now it's fine. Now you have the liberty to put a few people in the waiting room when I tell you, not now. Okay, what I was telling. So reported speech has been done, so we can have that also. Okay. First, let me discuss your papers. Sorry, your presentations. I will not show the presentations to everyone, otherwise that effect will be lost. Others will not find anything interesting if we show the original one now. What I will do is that I will open the classroom and discuss. In the meantime, students, they can open their own presentations and check whatever I'm telling, whichever points I'm sharing with you. Okay, Yusuf. Okay, don't be absent 31st. It's very crucial. Remember that. First, we start with Yusuf. He has worked on superstitions. Let's see. It's an 8-page presentation. Just a minute. It's taking a bit time. Yeah, it is there. You have mentioned some superstition in the second slide. It will be some superstitions. Okay, Yusuf?
Okay, sir.
Next, okay, 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 okay. So Yusuf, you have given the superstitions, mentioned the superstitions, right? Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
But there is a problem. What I meant is you just cannot mention the superstition. That is an easy process. What I want to do is that what is the probable logic behind it? That also has to be highlighted. And this is what has been given over here also. I wanted just that thing to be presented over here in your own way.
That is what I expected. What was the page number, that superstition one?
91, sir.
Sorry?
91, I guess.
91. Even I guessed, but I'm unable to find it. Achha, I think it's up here. Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, I can see it immediately after seeing it. Yeah.
Ah. So see, Yusuf, can you see the chart?
Yes, sir.
So here they have given the myth of the superstition and how it has originated, the logic that has also been mentioned. Just so just mentioning will not help. You have to give the reason also, probable reason. If required, you have to search in the Wikipedia, but the reason has to be found out. Is it clear, Sakleen? Sorry, Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So otherwise, the way you have presented, I don't have any problem regarding this. Next, I'll discuss regarding Mozam's work. Thank God I was just going to do a blunder. I will not show. Oh, thank God. Yes, Mozam, your work, just a minute. Presentation is fine. The photographs have also been chosen right. You have given the methods, that is also cool. And using cameras and all the stuff, you have given quite, presented it quite well. But I had just one thing to tell over here, two things. That you have mentioned the aspects taken into consideration. That is the last slide of yours, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is what is given in the data in the internet or in the book that you have followed. But what is your perception? What is your viewpoint? What is your thought behind this whole process? That you should mention. Otherwise, apart from all these things, there is a particular is mentioned for content also. So how you express your views, marks will be based on that also. Are you getting my point? Did you get my point, Mozam?
Sir, so should I add another slide telling
Yes,
about my
it will be
views?
better if you add one more paragraph.
Yeah, so I can put it before the thank you slide. The last slide can be that, my views. Is it fine that way?
It is better that you add another slide. That will be better, where you express your own viewpoints. Okay? Did you get my point?
Okay, sir, I was asking you, should I add the slide in the end?
After this, yeah, your viewpoint.
Okay, sir.
One thing more, when you present, I would like to see how you present the whole thing.
Sir, I have a question.
I'm coming, I'm coming. One by one, I'll come. So how you present the whole thing, that is also important. Just you narrate the points will not fetch you good marks. Rather, you should give it in such a manner that people should enjoy listening to your presentation, because it is already, the data is given. The photographs have been already taken from internet, but how you present your thoughts, that is what is going to be a crucial game changer that you have to keep in mind. Okay, Muzam?
Yes, sir.
Now will come your presentation. That means your public speaking skills will be tested now. Okay, Muzam is done. Next we have, just a minute. Who is this? Mudabir. Let me give feedback of yours. Okay, so Mudabir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What I find is you have given good photo. Just it's taking a bit of time. Ah. Okay, the photographs are quite fine. The data that you have mentioned just beside with proper information on all the stuff, that's good. And then you have given things that are noted in the census, during the census, right? That you have mentioned, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, I will give the same suggestion to you also, that you add your own viewpoint regarding the whole process, and I add it at the end of the slide. Remember, these things have done to be done at the earliest, because after that we'll have the discussion, and that time you cannot change it. You have to change it before. Okay, so here comes Mudabi's work. Next we have oh, Saklen. Saklen, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your video is getting downloaded. Just a minute. Your PPT. Okay, and now Saklen, as far as I can recall, you were given Saklen, na, ठीक है. Tiger's eye superstitions. Okay, let me see what is there. Okay, Saklen, the thing has to be written based on page 91, superstition.
Uh,
Are you getting my point? You have given it from a different context. You have not followed that one, right? Isn't it? You have not followed that.
Sir, I took the information from the internet.
Huh, but from the internet, if you take, I don't have any problem. But this will not be as per the chapter. What I'm trying to say is this, that whenever you have a particular information with you, if it is not put according to the discussion of the chapter being covered, then it is not in sync with the whole thing. I can easily get 1001 data about online schooling, but how this online schooling is applicable for students of Golden Sparrow Hub School, That is important, and I need to compare it with online classes and find out the pros and cons of Golden Sparrow Hub School. Then only my thought process will be easy to be presented. Same thing in your case, you have worked on Tiger's Eye. I don't have a problem. It is correct. But if you follow that particular page 91, then do it, then your whole discussion becomes appropriate to the covered chapter. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Good. So change it accordingly and get back to me at the earliest.
Yes.
Okay. Upload a new one
Yes.
with the new data that has already shared in page 91. Because if you have worked hard, why to leave it at the last moment? Complete your work. You can do it. If you have done this much, the rest of it can easily be done. No problem on that. Oh, sorry. Next, we have I've discussed Mudabir, Muzam, Saklain, 3, Yusuf 4, 2 more left. Okay, one is Farhana, I think this one. Just a minute, it is taking a bit of time to come. It's taking too much time. Let's see. File has not yet reached. Just a minute. Just excuse me for a minute. Things are getting a bit slow. Okay, so Farhana's work has opened first. Okay, Farhana, what you have done? Farhana, can you hear me, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have given in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. With one only photograph. I don't have any problem if you keep the photograph to be simple and one, no problem. But suppose if the same thing happens with your own book, which doesn't give you variety, will you love to read that particular book? I will not read. If you read, it's wonderful. That means you have high tolerance level. But uh, if we don't get proper variety of dishes, of food, I think we get bored. So it will be really wonderful if you can change the photographs and make it different. That is one solution. दूसरा solution है you don't change anything, but when you present your this PPT, it should be so much convincing and energetic that people really appreciate your presentation skills, your public speaking skills. If that can be done, I don't have any problem. At times, people make simple presentations because they want to make their words in the through the mic makes it more convincing. So if you have that kind of an option, I don't have any problem. If you go for that, I don't have any problem. But uh, whatever you choose, you choose judiciously. So you can have what should I say? Huh? Just wait. You have also not added any conclusion or introduction. Kindly, right, Farhana? Farhana, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last, we have Safia, myths and superstition. Again, same problem as with Yusuf. You have mentioned only the myths, but you have to mention the purpose behind the myths. Otherwise, the presentation
Sir,
is quite good. Yeah.
I have prepared a speech. In that only I'll speak about those myths. That's why I did not put the information.
No, 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 no. That cannot be because the presentation will not be a data with me, right? The PPT is our data, isn't it? So whenever I give you marks or whenever I send the marks to the senior authorities, they will check that whatever sir has marked for a particular task is similar to what he or she thinks when he or she goes through your work. If your presentation, if your public skill is separate and your work is separate, then it will be a problem. Rather, this is basically your script, the PPT. Keeping that script in mind, you start speaking the bullet points. Based on the bullet points, you'll have some subtopics which you may not write, but you have to have the topic. You have to have the points to be presented to the audience for a PPT. So this is what I wanted to share with you regarding the uh, art integrated learning. First, second is that students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thirdly, you have to complete this and upload this by Tuesday. You can remove the previous one and upload this, no problem from my end. Or else you can keep this only. I will, no, fine, that will not be possible. You share it here only. Or you may, no, that is the best option. You share it with me. Or you can mail me also, it is not a problem. That can be done. Now let us come to the next discussion. That is, what about your syllabus? The syllabus will definitely be the literature chapters, only those two, nothing else. Simple, those two chapters. Anyone having doubt, please ask. If you want more, you can tell me, I'll add. But don't go with any false information. Here, everything that is there is important. Questions may be asked from here. Question may be asked from within the chapter. It can be anywhere. So please come prepared. And this time the results should be really good. I don't want to upset myself with such results. Remember that. So that is the second part. Third but not the least is that you will have grammar, you will have writing skills, you will have reading comprehension. That means, let me share with you what all you will have to prepare. So I'm giving you the blueprint. RC. What is RC?
Reading comprehension.
Yes, reading comprehension. Out of which there will be 15 marks. 10 marks का एक passage, 5 marks का दूसरा passage. Right? This will carry 1 mark each, not more than that. But there may be options, MCQ kind, or may not be options. Just direct answer you have to write. If it carries 1 mark, you have to write only 2 to 3 lines maximum. So don't need to worry. Next, we have the writing skills. Writing skills, we have 2 writing skills, 5 plus 5, 10. That is it. So you will get 1 formal letter and 1 short story to write. So this is important that in this case, it will be 5 marks each. 2 will be there. 1 will be formal. Another will be story writing. Don't forget to write the title. Most of you lose marks because of this. Next. So ho gaya this grammar. This will be the structure of grammar. 5 marks each. There may be MCQs, may not be MCQs. Questions will come from tenses, modals, reported speech, whatever has been taught around that only it will come. So don't need to panic. Last but not the least, we have literature. This will carry 2 plus 3 plus 5. That means 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 5 marks question. So eventually you'll find that there are 30 marks of MCQ or one line answer, 1 mark each. Rest 20, I have placed it like this. Doubt till now, please ask me. And the syllabus, obviously, a tiger comes to town. And associated questions means whichever has been covered till now. Tense have been covered, reported speech has been covered, there's a use of proper place, grammar in proper places that has been discussed, the practice papers also, etc., etc. So eventually this is the syllabus for you. Any other doubts, please ask me. Clear? Any doubt regarding this? Anyone, please, regarding the question paper? This will be the format of 50 marks. Doubts, questions, problems? So this was the another discussion that I wanted to have. Last but not the least discussion, how to utilize your time to upload your papers. See, try to finish the paper 15 minutes ahead or at the right time. And then use an Adobe scanner. Just a minute. So there is a particular app, Adobe Scanner. It's a good one. You can download this. I'm not promoting this. I'm just finding, I found it very easy to handle. That's why I'm mentioning this. You're going to use Adobe Scanner and scan your papers and then only you send me. Because if I don't understand a particular handwriting or it is not clear, that means your marks are gone in that place. You'll not get any extra chance or second chance. This I have done in the last period, last class also, when you had your 10 marks, 20 marks question. So ensure that when you take the exam, take it very seriously, write down the proper answers in the proper places, scan it and then send it to me. Just taking a photograph will not help. You can send through WhatsApp, you can send through mail, you can send to Webster. I will get it, don't have to worry. But there should not be any kind of communication gap between I and you. This has been told and this has not been told, etc. So there should be an Adobe scanner. That way it will be able to, you'll be able to get the notebooks ready fast and easy. That's it. Just spend 2 minutes on this. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Spend 2 minutes on these things. Okay. So doubts, questions, last moment suggestions. What do you want? Anything? Okay. We ask one by one. Safia, any doubt regarding the exam and the what do you say? Your presentation? Any doubt?
Sir, I wanted to ask that you said that we'll have speaking, so what day will we have for the presentation?
Safia, any doubt in the question paper format and all? Okay. Next, I'll go to Mudabir. Mudabir, any doubt, any questions, any queries regarding whatever has been discussed till now? Regarding your paper, regarding your work? Okay. Okay, good. Muzam, doubts? Anything else? Any questions? Any issues?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Farhana, anything else?
No, sir.
Good. Yeah, this Uzair Parker, you're asking me the syllabus. So now you have got the syllabus, right? Uzair Parker. So you won't respond. Who is left? Sakleen, any doubt? Anything? Any question? Any problems?
No, sir. No.
Good. Yusuf, issues? Any problem? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay, because you are a new student, so you might have a bit of a problem. That's why I'm giving a bit extra care, trying to. So these things should be kept in your mind when you upload this. Now this is the thing. Last but not the least, I found this time no one has uploaded the formal letter. Please understand one thing: a formal letter will definitely come in your board exam, in your this last exam. So please start uploading it. Muzam is giving a very naughty smile. Acha. I want this by 2 p.m. today. The letter. No one has turned up today, this time. What happened, Safi and Farhana? Vayat sir came and praised you and you have stopped writing. Okay. Upload it by today positively. What is the thought of discussing? Now this much is enough. Any doubts, please keep it saved. I will discuss that in the next class, that means on Wednesday. And that will be the last class before the exams. So try to keep your doubts noted down somewhere to save time. Also present it in such a way that others can also comprehend what question you're trying to ask. Last but not the least, take the art integration work that has been given by me seriously, because I'll be marking you. I'll listen to your presentation, you'll give it to me, and etc. etc. Do you have any class after this?
No, sir.
Okay. So next class, next time, next Saturday, I may take half an hour extra or 15 minutes extra if I cannot finish within the given time. And remember one thing, each child has to speak minimum 2 minutes on his or her topic. It is not just that you come and you show and then you go. That will not work out. You have to complete your task. Okay? If you have no doubts, I will not proceed anymore because we have already taken enough time of yours to prepare yourself, to prepare you for the board exams. But we can take a day when we go a bit early. So Shiv, show me a thumbs up on the screen. Okay, Farhana, fine. Safia, Sakulain, Yusuf. Okay. ठीक है. So let's call it a day today. We'll meet again on Wednesday. Thank you very much.